Hello everybody and welcome back to a brand new video. So today I will be showing you how to customize your theme on Windows 10. So right now you can see I have this regular Simplech background. It looks a bit boring, sometimes you just want to add a bit of color. So I'm going to go to right click, personalize. And instead of changing my background to just a picture, I'm going to make it a slideshow. And I'm going to choose this folder that I've created with a bunch of wallpapers. Choose this folder. And now I can choose how often I want the picture to change. So I'm just going to do 1 minute. And shuffle. And there we go. So now when I go home, I have this wallpaper. I can just make it go a bit quicker. I'll show you some of the ones I have. So if you want to customize your theme even more, you don't actually click on themes, you click on colors, and you can choose an accent color. And something cool you can do is to allow the computer to choose an accent color automatically from the background, instead of just choosing one color always. So now you can see if I change the background, the theme changes. So now it's orange. If I change it, it becomes blue. So you can make this even more visible by adding accent colors to the title bars and the taskbar. I personally am not a huge fan of the title bars, so I'm just going to uncheck that. But it's still on the bottom, there's an accent color, which I think is really nice. You can also change the default mode to light or dark. Themes, of course, you can use a built-in Windows 10 theme, but I think it's best to just use the custom theme because you can customize it more. And so yeah, now you have this really cool theme on your computer, and even shows when you open up a new tab, it still shows on the bottom. And so I think that's a great feature in Windows 10. So yeah, I'll just show you when I change the wallpaper. And you can always add new wallpapers to change the theme even more, with even more variety. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and I will see you in the next video.